Ayan now.
No, it should be you. No, siyempre po, sige, mag-away ang mga, ang mga hangin mula sa, ayan, DJ Josie doon kami. Samahan mo si KJ. Doon ka. Sige na. Dahil Connie, huwag ka mag-alala. Dahil Connie, ayan. Ayan. Okay. Naligo daw. Sige, huwag na natin pakakantayin kasi celebration anniversary naman natin. So, palakpakan na lang na mamaya after mag-blow nila ang candles. No? Anong feeling ninyo na napasabay ang birthday celebration ninyo sa 50th year anniversary? Sige nga.
Happy po. Masaya po.
Akala ko malaing gifts in Tagalog. Akala ko may hangin. Ayan. No? Pero paling ko lang din naman. But anyway, ayan, there you go. It's so nice. Oo. Siguro alam ko na nararamdaman ko at nafe-feel ko sa mga isip at puso nila na sana hindi lang pa-cake. Sana meron pa-envelope. Kaya lang, bro, ang inyong lingkod ngayon. Alright, so we will have now, of course, the blowing of candles. Our radio representing the 50th anniversary will be, of course, our DGN and the executive owners and ang ating mga celebrant. Ayan, hindi na siguro kasi mahirap. All you have to do is lapitan na lang, please. Lapit-lapit na. And, alright, okay, sino ba? Ayan. Okay, after my 3 claps, feeling ko say blow the candles na. 1, 2, 3, blow the candles please, and a round of applause everyone. Palakpakan po tayo. Ayan! Happy birthday and happy 5th year anniversary ng ating radio station. This is not the end, but rather this is just the beginning of a more fruitful years ahead to come. Kung naka 5 years tayo, we will go for 10 years, we will go for 15 years, so on and so forth. Walang iwanan. So this time, we'll have our dinner, and after our dinner, we'll proceed with our program. Thank you so much, everyone.
Yan, open na.
Oh, it's true.
Open na natin ang
Nakikiusap kami mga high-blood.
open na.
Kakain kami sa inyo. Huwag mo na kami pahidalin. Kaya nasakit ka kami. Ay, hindi pwedeng bawal kasi sa amin walang itsyon. Ngayon lang po.